Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw small letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, black color, and white color. Kids, now I draw small letters alphabets A to Z, and first we draw A, and use blue color. A for apple, A for aeroplane. B for ball, B for bus. C for cat, C for cow. Kids, now I draw D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D, and use red color. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. F for fish, F for fan. It's neither G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G, and use yellow color. H for hand, H for helicopter. I for eyes, I for ice cream. It's neither J for joker, J for jackfruit, and use green color. The alphabets of J. K for kite, K for king. L for lion, L for lemon. The alphabets of L. Kids, neither M for moon, M for mango. The alphabets of M, and use black color. N for nose, N for nose. The alphabets of N. O for orange, O for octopus. It's neither P for parrot, P for penguin. The alphabets of P, and use blue color. The alphabets of P. Q for queen, Q for quill. R for rose, R for rice. It's neither S for sun, S for snake. The alphabets of S, and use red color. T for teacher, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for ankle. It's neither V for van, V for vanilla. The alphabets of V, and use yellow color. W for wallet, W for watch. X for X-ray, X for xylophone. It's neither Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, and use green color. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.